Give us your reaction to this sentence.
We're very, very pleased because his brother just got a sentence that means he dies in prison. At Shabar, we were very worried that his sentence would basically be a life sentence, that he would die in prison. So we're very relieved and happy that he has hope now.
26 years. Do you think that's a fair sentence for all those charges?
I asked the judge to sentence him as if it was a first-degree murder charge, even though no one died. And that would be a 25-year sentence. Someone would be eligible for parole. It wouldn't mean they necessarily get it, but he'd be eligible for it. This is 26 years. Of course, he had more crimes than just one. So given the circumstances, I can understand how the judge arrived at that conclusion.
I heard you mention right before he walked out, I'm going to get you out of here. Talk to me about your relationship with your client.
Before he walked out,
You said, I'm going to try to get you out of here, help you eventually get out.
yes, I mean, our relationship with my client was that was my goal, to give him a sense. We knew we were facing a lot of time, no matter what we did. Is that kind of a crime? Is that kind of a case? And my goal was to give him hope, that he enters prison knowing that someday he gets out of prison, which means he can atone during the time he's in there, make something of himself, and come out to society again, be productive.
We heard a little bit about him today in his own words and from some other people. Explain your client, what kind of a person he is.
He is an amazing young man to me. There's a lot of folks, young people, 16-year-olds, who've done a lot of different crimes. I would have to say he's in the top 1% for sure in terms of taking responsibility for what he did and feeling remorse for what he did.
Now, the assistant district attorney was saying in his first trial he got 95 to 128. This 26 runs after that. So what's the likelihood of him getting out?
100%. He will get out because it's a determinate sentence. He serves a long sentence, but then he does get out.
And do you think that justice prevailed here?
I hate that it all happened. It's one of those things, good Lord, you wish you could turn back the hands of time. Those poor people that got hurt, and for Shabar Marshall, what he's facing now. But we can't. So given everything that's happened, I would have to say that I have no fault for the judge's sentence.
Anything else that you would like to say or add?
I wish, if there's anything we can get out of this, I hope it's that young people know about this and contemplate their actions before they act on impulse in the future.